Welcome viewers, in this video we'll see the error handling during IO operation of file handling process, C programming language. Subscribe the channel for more videos and notifications. Soft copy of this material available in the drive. The link is given in the description box. Now we'll go to the topic, error handling during IO operation for file processing in C programming language. Now we'll see what are the functions available for error handling. FEOF. The FEOF function can be used to test for an end of the file condition. We'll check whether we reached the end of the file. While reading the data or writing the data, we can identify whether end of the file. End of the file means thereafter there is no data. So we can able to identify end of file by using this function. FERROR. The FERROR function reports the status of the file indicated, right? Whether there is any error occurs, that will be given by FERROR function. Then random access to the function file. What are the functions available to randomly access the file? Normally we have file open, file close, file read, write. These are all the functions already available. Apart from that, random access to the files are available. FTEL. FTEL takes a file pointer and return a number of type long that corresponding to the current position. The current position will be given by FTEL. N equal to FTEL FP. FP is the file pointer. So the corresponding file, the name, what is the number, current position, that will be given by FTEL, that is stored in the number n, right? So it will give the current position. Rewind takes a file pointer and reset the position to the start of the file. Rewind means whatever may be the current position, the position will go through the start of the file. It will go for beginning of the file. Rewind FE. So it will go to the beginning. Then one more function, fseek. Fseek function is used to move the position to a desired location within the file. We can go to the desired location. According to our requirement, we can move. The syntax is fseek file pointer offset position. So this is a file pointer, corresponding file pointer we have to mention. Offset, then position. What is offset? 0 means it will go to the beginning of the file. 1 means current position. 2 means end of file. What is the offset? Positive, moving forwards. Negative means moving backwards, right? So according to the desired location, we can go by using this. Offset gives moving forward or backward by using positive and negative. These values give either beginning of the file, end of the file, or current position. Now we'll see what are the possibilities, what are the further functions available in fseek. So various operations performed by fseek function. First one, fseek file pointer OL, 0. Go to the beginning of the file, very similar to rewind, right? 0, that refers beginning of the file. fseek FL OL 1. It will go stay at the current position. 1 is the stay at the current position. fseek FPOL 2. Go to the end of the file. Pass the last character of the file, right? So 0 means the beginning of the file. 1 means current position. 2 means end of the file for OL, right? Same. fseek FP M, 0. M, 0 means beginning, right? So move to the m+1 byte in the file. M, we have to mention the value. 10 means 10 plus 1. It will go to 11th position, 11th byte, like that, right? So what is the number here specified here? That byte will be moved by this function. Now we'll see some more functions available. fseek FP M, 1. Go forward by m bytes. Go forward. 1 refers forward. F6 FP minus m comma 1 go backward by m bytes from the current position, right? So m, we already know that it will go to the m plus 1 byte. 0 means it is at the particular position, m plus 1 position. 1 refers, this 1 refers go forward, minus m 1 refers go backward, right? F6 Fe minus m comma 2, right? Minus m 1 means backward, go backward by m bytes from the end. Positive the file of the mth character from the end. Position the file to the mth character from the end, right? That is the difference between these two. These both are backward, but the mth position from the end of the character it will position. When the operation is successful, msig return a 0. Error means return minus 1. So by using if condition we can check whether this fseek operation is successful or not. If it is 0, it is successful. If it is minus 1, that is a error. So in this video we discuss about the random access to the file and error handling, and also various operation of fseek function, beginning, end, at current position. These are all discussed. Subscribe the channel for more videos and notification. Soft copy of this material available in the drive. The link is given in the description box. Thank you for listening.